Here is how to find your Epic Games email and password. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can find your Epic Games email and password. So let's start. First of all, open the Epic Games launcher. After opening Epic Games, tap on your profile on the top right, then go to settings. As you scroll below in the settings, you will find this support option. Click on it and it will take you to the website of Epic Games. Now if you are already logged into your account, then the process becomes a lot easier. Simply go to the profile-like icon on the top and click on account. As you go to account settings, you will find this email address. You might remember the email address by looking at these hints. However, if you don't remember your email address, you can simply change it. For that, click on this edit option and enter the new email address that you want to use. Now let's say you remember the email address but you don't know the password. Your password can't be seen on the settings page. So for that, log out of your account. You will reach the main login page of Epic Games. You can either enter the email address that you just saw or click on any of the login options that you have used. After entering your email address, you will have to enter your password. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password. Then after, it will send a mail to your new address for setting up a new password. Enter the specific email address and click on Send Email. After you do that, check on that specific email and follow the procedure that it says to you. As you do that, you will be able to change your password. So by doing these couple of steps, you can easily find your Epic Games email and password. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.